now we already at this chocolate company, chocolate factory, Margaret River Chocolate Company. Have a beautiful park here. It's not open yet, we are too early. Actually, they open on 9, we arrived at 8:50. So we must wait for a while. It's the company sign. Margaret River Chocolate Company. Today, this morning, it's very nice weather. Still cold. But then later, at the daytime, it can be 35 degrees. Okay, you see this tree. It had a beautiful flowers. It's purple color. It's called jacaranda. You can only find it at Australia. Cái thảo chính là nó suy rồi. Beautiful flowers. This color. Purple. A lot of birds, like the lorikeet. It's a lorikeet or rosella. Yeah, they are rosella. They are not lorikeet. Ringneck. You can see the bird sound in this tree at the top of the tree. It's open now. Let's go inside to check it. A lot of type of chocolate at here. We also have the souvenir set. This is the set. Product of chocolate. Oh yeah. So hanging on the wall. Books. Yeah. Even candle.
Chocolate.
It's not chocolate. The famous vodka. They have a sample, free sample at there. Oh, it's a lot. Even they sell Monopoly. The display up here. Ah, ini Coca sih. Coca betul lah.
Coklat gratis ya.
Free tester, free tester. Pretty simple, always good. Any idea? Huh? Any idea?
I think the caramel.
Hey, is it the chocolate factory company? And here you can see the process of making chocolate. Today we are making, but it's not start yet. Let's see. That's the lot of chocolate on the mixer. There also. Yeah, and chocolate also that one. Có lại nữa. So we finish at this chocolate company. Then we'll move to another place. I don't know yet. Now we at this Margaret River Town Center. We're going for our breakfast. Margaret in town. Margaret Forest. It's a bakery. See what we can get at here. Oh, wow, wow. Queuing.
Sampai bersempat lah, kalau bersempat orang baking ya.
This one we eat at this bakery. That's good.
That's right, well, let's make sure. Yeah, more taking road to London and then the other side. Why can I know? Why can I know?
It's a very long queue now. So we already finished at here. Done our breakfast. Now we'll go to the beach maybe. Not sure. Depends on our driver Vincent. He's our tour leader.